everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week, guy. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. And yes, I know I've been absent for a little bit. I apologize about that. I am a teacher also for the trades. It was a little bit hectic. And of course, I do run my own company as well. So with that being said, guys, this week we're going to be taking a look at this. And also, I know we're supposed to give a giveaway. Apologize about the interruption, but that giveaway is going to be done the week coming up of this video. So in the bottom below, please leave your comments so I could make that giveaway. In those comments, if you could let me know what trade you're in, and also why the backpack will benefit you for the Veto Pro Pack. So of course, every 1,000 subscribers, we go ahead and give away a Veto Pro Pack. So with that being said, guys, let's get into this video. And this week we're going to be taking a look at this puppy right here. Now let's zoom into it. This is going to be the Milwaukee 2368-20 dual power triple panel floodlight. So this is going to be the box that it comes with. It's going to show you all the little designs right here, everything that it could do. And as well, if you want to pause it, you can take a look at it. And of course, again, this is the box. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Throw that over there. We got some nice little instructions. That's the corner, and of course Milwaukee's tool set, and this is going to be it. This is going to be the panel. Now of course the light alone is going to set you back at $179. I purchased this off of Home Depot, I believe, and it's going to come with a lot of features. I purchased this because I had the original little square one. I forgot which model. I'll leave it in the links below, but I picked this up because this is going to be pretty nice. You're going to see that it folds up, and you're going to have triple panels, which again, it's going to fold and you can nicely put it up. So let's see the features inside. Now let's talk about the connections. You're going to have a nice little rafter hook that you could connect this or hang it on there. You're going to have strong magnets on this side. And then of course, if you want to clamp it around or hold it, you're able to hold it. The magnet's going to be nice. You can see the different modes and settings down here at the bottom, which of course your mode, turn power, and of course your settings. And I'm going to use this little M2.0 right here, the M18s, and let's go ahead and open this up. And you're gonna see right here, we're gonna turn it on. This is going to be the full settings, and if you want to design, you could hold it up to the side up top, which of course right now there's a ton of light going to it. Let me see if I could lower down the mode right on top. There we go. So this is going to be the lowest mode. Now, with the lowest mode, it's going to be set at 400 lumens. And this is going to be, I'm sorry, we could set it up. Right now, you see that there's only one panel on. You could set it up with one panel. Now, one panel is going to be 400 lumens. And it's going to be lasting for 30 hours. And then once you get it to the medium, you're going to have 650 lumens. And it's going to last you 18 hours. And let me see if we could keep changing it. Oh, sorry about that. We changed the mode. There we go. And then you're going to get the highest mode, which the highest mode is going to be 1,500 lumens. And it's going to last 8 hours. Once you click it, you could do the two right side panels. And that one's going to be 800 lumens, and it's going to set you back for 16 hours on a 5.0 battery. 1,300 lumens for 9 hours at the next mode, which let me see here. Sorry about that. Which is going to be the medium mode. And then, of course, the brightest mode is going to be 3,000 lumens, and it's going to last you for 4 hours, which is very nice. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the low, and then it's going to be the final mode where all three panels are going to be lit up. The first one, the lowest mode is going to give you 1,200 lumens, and it's going to be for 11 hours that it's going to be setting you up. And then after that, the next mode is going to be 2,000 lumens, and it's going to be holding up for 6 hours, fully charged battery. And last but not least, let's see the brightness. Zoom right there. This is going to be the brightest, and it's going to give you 4,500 lumens for 3 hours, and that's going to be the highest mode. You go ahead and turn it off. You're going to see these panels right here. Another nice little feature is that on the side, you're going to have a plug-in in case you don't have any batteries. You could plug it in right here, and of course, a nice little weather guard. Now, a nice little feature that I wish they would have added, or if they could add in the future is going to be if you could charge your batteries. If you could connect this and charge your batteries, that would be super nice to have. So as always, guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And again, don't forget to leave the comments below of what trade you're in and why a Veto Pro Pack would help you out, and that way I could do the giveaway next week coming up. As always, guys, thank you all for the support, and thanks for watching. One tool a week, guys.